What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back with another video. Okay, period. It's your girl Chocolate Queen. Welcome to the Pretty Gang thing. If you're new here, hello, hi. We're lit over here. Okay, we love to be pretty, cute, and just embracing our natural beauty. So if you're into stuff like that, make sure you tune in and subscribe to the channel and keep watching this video. Give it a like and share it with somebody, and make sure you thumbs up this video. All right, y'all. So as you can tell by the title, I will be reviewing Wow African Hair today. All right, this is my first time ever getting ordering from this company, and the box is a little beat up. Don't know about that. DHL, I don't know how they deliver, but from what I can tell, it's not with care. Okay, it's not. So let's get right into the video. This is the packaging. Okay, it's a nice cute little satin bag. Let me see, because it's pink, y'all. I can't really see that it's pink. It's actually really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. And they also gave me a wig cap. Just to let you guys know, I will not be installing this wig right now. I will be installing it off camera, but I am going to be on camera, and I'll show you guys little clips of me installing the wig throughout this video. But this is really just a review to help you guys decide like what type of wig to buy. If this is your first time buying a wig, or you don't know what type of hair quality or what to choose from, you're looking for a wig to throw on that is not going to be bad quality. It's going to be like good quality, but also affordable in some type of range. You know, you're gonna have to invest some type of coin. But yeah, I just thought this was a good cool video to do for beginners and people that are looking to get into wigs. So that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. This is an 18-inch lace front wig. They have these wigs available up to 22 inches. Okay, the water wave is really curly. The pattern is super tight. It's bouncy, as you can see, very springy. Okay, this is not washed fresh out the package, so of course when you wash it, the curls will drop a little bit. As you can see, the parting space is really deep, y'all. Look at that. Y'all get like a whole bunch of parting space. This is a 13 by 6, so you can basically part this wig anywhere you see and still have that scalp you want. Y'all know we love that scalp, baby. Okay, this wig also comes already pre-plucked and bleached, so you don't have to really worry about the natural look that you want to get when you melt it and you have to bleach the knot and pluck the hairline. It's pretty much already done for you. They did a really good job plucking, it looks like, especially this middle part. Okay, yeah, this looks really good. Let me show you guys the inside. Okay, it comes with 2 combs on the sides and 1 in the back. I think I'm gonna end up cutting the combs because I never really use them anyway. I really just use the 1 in the back sometimes, but I might end up cutting that too. So this is 100% Indian virgin hair. That's what they say this is. So we're just gonna go ahead and say this is 100% Indian virgin hair. This is 150 density. So if you're looking for something with volume that's gonna make your hair, you know, look pretty much thick, this is the way to go. I got 18 inches because I usually get my wigs long, but I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do a little casual medium style. Let's not get too crazy, because if I get my long hair, I want my inches and my straight bad. This lace is an HD film lace. So basically I got this lace because it's supposed to be thinner and more natural looking for that melted scalp look that I want, versus the regular, not regular, but it's called the Swiss lace, which is also a natural looking lace, but more thicker, I believe, just a little bit. So this is the thin one with bleach knots, plucked, everything like that. So everything is pretty much good to go. I don't really have to do much maintenance. It can only be dyed up to dark brown, so you cannot really go out full out, you know, with dyeing it different colors, which is a little sad, but it's okay because I might just do this brown and then get something else. But yes, you can't do much dyeing with this wig. You can definitely put heat to this wig. This is human hair, and it took about 7 business days for the wig to arrive when I ordered it. So excluding the weekend, I ordered it on a Sunday. It got here Tuesday next week. So I'm so excited to put this on and show y'all when the curls drop. I don't know how I'm gonna style this wig yet. I don't think it's gonna stay curly. One thing I will say, this hair is a little dry when I took it out the pack. It's not soft, but maybe because it's a natural texture. Just wanted to mention that it's a little dry. All right, y'all, like I said, I'm not gonna do a tutorial. This is just gonna be a quick demo. So make sure you guys like this video and enjoy. So I just want to give you guys my final thoughts on the wig. I actually love the curl pattern. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much because it looked so tight, and I thought like when I got it and I washed it, it would be a little looser, but it just stays this way. But I'm actually loving this like curl pattern. This is the water wave, and it's just looking so good on me. I love how the density is. It kind of looks like a thick afro, so it looks like thick and naturally curly. Like this could be my hair type. It could be all. I'll play with. All right. I'm loving, like I'm obsessed. I always be like, why people always say I'm obsessed, but like I have to say I'm obsessed with how this is looking, baby. You see, this is gorgeous, like gorgeous. Like I'm feeling myself for a little bit. And you see this, the HD lace, baby, really melts. Like it really looks like Scalpiana. Let me get closer for y'all. That's what I like about this too. The parting space goes back really far, so you can have a lot of free space with the lace to just play and still look natural. Lord, it's hot. I got it on low for y'all so y'all can hear me. But really lightweight, really soft. The only thing I would say though, I had some shedding issues with the wig. when I was detangling it, it was shedding. And I don't know if it's because due to the texture, that's why it was shedding, but I don't think that should be. It was a little dry when I got out the pack. That's my only issue. But other than that, I love how it looks. Watch that clip and don't come from my my little dusty countertop on my little dashboard, because you know it's life, okay? It's not even that serious. But make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bells. And we lit over here, pretty gang thing. It's your girl Chocolate Queen signing out. Bye.